It's time to play Beat the Clock with Make It Shake It with the G chord. Here we go. Let's get to it. Ready? Make that G chord, and we're going to start in 1, 2, ready, go. G, 2. Take that off, put it back on. 2, ready, G chord, G, 2. Yeah, hit it, and G, 2. Put it back on there, yeah, and G, 2. Ready? Here's that G chord, and strum, 2. Ready, and strum. I didn't take it off there, did I? 3, 4, and strum, 2. 3, 4, and strum, 2. Yeah, here we go now, strum, 2. 3, 4, and strum, 2. Get that thing back on there, and strum. All of those strings ringing out beautifully, strum, 2. 3, 4, and strum, 2. 3, 4, and strum, 2. 3, 4, and strum. That's excellent. 2, 3, 4, and strum, 2. 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 3, 4, and strum,